What will you be having, sir? I will have the guy's leftovers over there. No, I can have what he ordered made for you. For more Pestalao comic strips, go to Tapas.